I knew it! He sent it to the moon. Good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. Last weekend sucked. Words can't describe how uninterested I was in this van after breaking everything last weekend. So this weekend, I'm going to let this van run a little bit, try and figure out where that coolant is leaking out of, or pouring out of really, so I can either get the parts or cry in a corner because it's gonna be too expensive to fix. All right, so I got the van idling right now. I guess it's really gotta get up to temperature before it'll start leaking. So I expected it to leak immediately because it was pretty bad before. And right now we have it idling and I don't really see any leaks. I see some residue down there on the oil filter, but that could be when, you know, I was filling this up and I spilled it all over the place. So I don't know. I'm gonna let this thing completely warm up and see where the leak is coming from. So I found the leak. At first I thought it was this hard pipe right here. It's like a hard coolant pipe that goes from back to front. But let me see if I can find that angle again. So if I come way back here and I'm looking under the AC compressor, that doesn't work. There is a little hose. You can kind of see the smoke coming out of it, dripping down onto the header. And that's the leak, not the head gaskets. I am working on taking off this AC compressor so I can get to whatever hose that is underneath. It's not like the AC works anyways. It hasn't worked in a very long time. First step is to remove this lock nut and then I can get the AC compressor off. In the effort of time, I am going to just snip the AC belt off. What's the point? So there's a stripped bolt here, so that's gonna be fun. Okay. So I found the leak. Back in here, flashlight, where are you? Right in front of me. So this elbow hose that connects to, it looks like the water pump or something, goes into the top of the engine and then comes over here to this T-fitting. That is what was cracked and leaking. So I'm gonna have to order a new one of those. I had to get the AC compressor out of the way, but this hasn't had a charge in it in 10 plus years, so that was easy. I couldn't take it off because there's a strip bolt back there. But other than that, I'm also going to replace this hose, and definitely this hose. This hose, I don't know how this thing is holding any kind of pressure or fluid or anything. All right, so it's been a few hours and that bus project is not happening today. I ordered $60 worth of parts for it. I'll show that right here. That'll probably be in like a week or so, so I'll resume that in a little bit. Now we have Uncle Charlie and Devlin here, and that's a squirrel tail.
It is a squirrel tail.
That's a squirrel tail. So we're working on his 2016 Colorado and replacing maybe just this lower grill, maybe the whole grill, something, and swapping the exhaust back to stock. Basic stuff, but join us.
Oh.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because there was that one box, and of course the box with the exhaust is in the back. See, this is what happens when you order parts and then a year passes. Like, I'm pretty sure there's going to be something living in this muffler back here. He leaves his old parts here, and then he buys new parts, and he also leaves them here. So this is what's going on. Nothing ran out of it. Look, it's already it's pre-rusted. It's
patina.
Yeah, so this is just the lower grill then.
Yeah.
I mean, there's plenty of Toyota grills in here. We can slap the PRD one on. Socket wrenches in drop box. Straight ahead, top right drawer. That's where when I don't feel like cleaning, put it in the drop box. Clean it on a day you feel like cleaning. Up in man.
If your sister might have seen a box that.
Good call, Charlie.
See? What would you have done if I hadn't been here?
All the way in the back. Attic, all the way in the back.
How did you get up there?
Probably one of the first things to arrive, and I just got rid of it quickly. What should be like red.
like it's going on here.
I've got the special American edition.
We're gonna plasti dip this black. It's gonna work. Charlie unboxed the other one because I left it on my porch for like 2 months. Animals were living there. It was.
Yeah. It's kind of gross. So it is broken, right?
Go for it. Or unless you want to keep it intact and add it to the grill
But there
collection.
might be. Is there other parts?
It's a Chevy. It's pretty normal.
Well, this is great. Devlin's working on his own truck. He brought us food and he's working on his own truck. All right, so we have to remove this MBRP exhaust right there. What's wrong?
It's like just barely stuck. Stuck on the drive shaft.
Overall, we're only a foot away.
Like ½ inch, but it's on it, it's holding.
These weren't even used before. They're up in the air still. Hole in one. In.
Hi, camera.
Yellow. DeWalt is yellow.
Good Lord.
Did you go the wrong direction? Because it feels like it had a lot of pump to here. Let me put this.
Yeah, the switch flipped.
No, Charlie, no! Oh, I knew it! Oh, no! He sent it to the moon.
I did it. That was on low torque. Wasn't even me fully.
Oh.
Yeah, it's some sort of stud. Boy, that's
He's gonna put a flathead right through the radiator. Now he's scared. Cool. So,
Alright, drive it home just like this.
no one will want to be in front of you. It's kind of menacing.
Why is this harder than it needs to be?
do the other side. I'm not gonna let this go. Let it go. I'm gonna keep pressure on this.
That's how we do it in the factory, right? Hold it in there. Okay, good. This feels very eBay.
It's my motto.
Well, at least this is done.
Yeah.
GoPros are all dead.
I like the new front end on it.
I don't like this truck.
I know, you couldn't buy a Toyota.
I know, couldn't have been easy. We had to get the amount.
Early in the morning.
I don't think it moved at all.
It is stuck in place. No.
Does that record decibels?
So we couldn't get that bolt off. Yeah, that sounds great. How do you like your new exhaust?
It's kind of rattly.
But it's got like a cam sound to it. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so to recap, we started the day with working on the van, and what did we do with that? That was a long time ago now. pretty much ordered $60 worth of hoses. I put a screenshot up of that because I found that leak thing. It's not a head gasket or anything. So I got that ordered. That'll be on the way soon. After that, started working on that 2016 Colorado and did the grill replacement. That went more or less okay. Went with the newer Colorado grill, and then we did the exhaust swap. So we went from an MBRP back to the stock, but when we put the stock exhaust back on, one of the studs that was in the mid pipe snapped. And so we spent the better half of like 4 hours, 3 hours trying to cut, grind, hammer, heat, but it wouldn't come off. So he's just gonna take it to an exhaust shop and let them deal with it in like an hour. But other than that, it's done, it works. Now you can trade it in. So yeah, that'll be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe if you like this content, or if you want to see more van content or more camping content, let me know. Thank you for watching. See you next Saturday. Bye.